Paano mag-analyze ng mga ellipse? Pag-usapan natin ito. Meron tayong dalawang uri ng ellipse, horizontal ellipse at vertical ellipse, pero ang kanilang formula will be the same at ang pagkakaiba nga lamang ay yung value ng ating a. Kung ang a squared ay greater than b squared, our ellipse will be horizontally oriented at kapag ka naman mas malaki si b squared kesa kay a squared, our ellipse will be vertically oriented. At take note na yung ating mga ellipse for today will have center at 0, 0. So let's have the first example, which is to write the standard form of an ellipse that has a vertex at 0, 5 and co-vertex at 2, 0, na ang center ay nasa point of origin. So, kunin natin yung graph ng ating ellipse para makita natin kung siya ba ay horizontal ellipse or vertical ellipse. I-plot natin yung point ng 0, 5. Ang 0, 5 ay x ay 0 at y ay 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 pababa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At yung ating co-vertex ay nasa 2, 0. X is 2, 1, 2, and y is 0. So it will be a vertical line. So that means our ellipse, 2 to the left, would be a vertical ellipse. So ito ay ellipse na vertically oriented. So that means ang ating b squared ay mas malaki kesa kay a squared dahil yung y value natin ay mas mahaba. So we'll have a squared is associated with x. So yung distance ng x from the center is 2 units. So that means 2 squared. At ang b squared natin would be associated sa y axis. So that means 5 units. So we'll have 4 and 25. X squared all over 4 plus y squared all over 25 equals 1 will be the standard equation of our ellipse. Kunin naman natin yung standard equation ng ating ellipse with vertex at 0, 1 at co-vertex at negative 3, 0. 0, 1 will be x is 0 and y is 1. So 1 up and 1 down. So 1 and negative 1 will be the value of y. And then our co-vertex is at negative 3, 0, negative 3, 0, x is negative 3, and y is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 3 units to the right. So we know that our ellipse is a horizontal ellipse at pag nag-sketch tayo ng ellipse, it will look something like this. Sa pagkuha ng ating equation, a squared will be the distance of our x-axis. X-axis is 1, 2, 3 units. And b squared will be the distance of our y-axis from 0, which is 1 unit. So ang equation natin would be this equation. Now, kunin naman natin yung standard equation ng ating ellipse given the graph. Kukunin natin yung mga vertices natin. The first vertex would be at 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, yung ating x-axis will be at 4, 0. So this one is a vertical ellipse. So that means yung ating y-axis will be longer. So our equation will be, ito yung ating b, at ito yung ating a. At ito yung standard equation ng ating ellipse. And in this form, tulad nung ginawa natin kanina, kukunin natin yung vertex at co-vertex ng ating axis. 0, x, at yung y value niya would be 1, 2. At yung ating x-axis would be 1, 2, 3, negative 3, and 0. And in this case, alam natin na ito ay horizontal ellipse, so mas malaki yung value ng ating x-axis o yung denominator ng x kesa sa y. So our equation from, alam natin ang ating a squared ay negative 3 units squared. At ang ating b would be 2 units. And from here, we now know our equation to be, at yan ang equation ng ating ellipse. Sa pagsulat ng standard form ng equation ng ellipse, kailangan muna natin i-sketch ang graph para alam natin ang value ng a at b ng ating equation. Bye!